and rock.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming.
Today I'm hitting the streets for taste buds, and I'm going across the road to my neighbor, and she's gonna make something extra special for us. All right, so I want you to come along for the ride. We're going over to my church mother and my neighbor, Sister Smith, and see what she have cooking in her kitchen. Yes, Yardie Belly kitchen, switching, as the thing said. Today we are making traditional Jamaican ginger beer, guys. Yes, homemade ginger beer done by the expert who has been making it for how many years, much more years than I care to recall. Guess what? Join us as we make it. So you just basically scrape it?
Scrape it, yeah. They scrape it clean, you know, but most people don't. But this kind of clean ginger when you have the two them where you have to dig out in there. So. And so. Other people don't go wash it, that's why I'm not drinking nobody ginger beer.
Because they don't do it
They
right.
just wash it. And say, oh, they just look if there's stove. Sometimes the ginger have something that you have to dig out here.
Root and
you understand me?
Yeah. Blemish.
We have to take them out, my dear. I don't want my machine to go out and overwork.
So you cut them to put them in the Vitamix. Once them scrape nicely.
Or if I feel people who don't have Vitamix and going can grate it too. But them the muscles may not have no more in this life.
To go grate up ginger in them, my mother in time are really hard, you know.
You can chop it up, put it in a blender, and you just blend it enough to where it say grate. So you don't have to do it more than that.
You don't have to do it too fine.
Okay. So a minute. You show how you throw it over in this. Yeah, I'm gonna say all my dishes and everything.
All them are look on a ginger. They now look on nothing else.
And we should have done more book that the ginger
right.
Full.
But like you just show me, that's good. Right there.
The other guy? Look where Mago be. Plug it out. You could blend it or you could use it. You don't need more than that. Purpose, I can do this.
So this is the something now when
we put it overnight.
And you put it in a boiling water.
Boiling water, great. Put it in boiling water. Put boiling water. So me blend it. So me blend it, make sure it's in there so.
Right.
And then put the lime juice in there and a little bag of rice.
Okay. Oh, so you put the rice in a little bag?
Yes, for me no want it. Or sometimes I boil over the trash if it's too strong.
Right.
You just throw the straw and if I rice me out.
So we're using the rice to ferment.
Ferment.
And so this can stay for 2 more days, don't it? It can stay as long as you want.
The other people not put in a fridge like me, like when Sir Jonas they make it,
Wow.
but from me making me put in a
So the
fridge.
rice is the fermenting agent here,
Uh-huh.
not cream of tartar or
That's-
yeast.
Rice put in a little bag for whatever you put the bag
So the
for.
rice make it into like what you call sake, which is the Japanese rice wine.
Okay.
And the longer it ferment is the more it's so we're gonna strain it now from this container into this one.
So I strain through a double thing. This is to make sure no trash.
Yeah.
But through for
No-
the care
none
you
of the
use
fine
a
ginger.
strainer. It's going to.
Awesome. And I should say, you can, when you're done strain it, if you want to reuse that ginger, you can reuse that ginger and make another batch.
Sometimes make another batch and add to this too. And sometimes it's still too strong. Me do this and have it for my house.
Okay.
The trash right down to me not throw
And that's a lot of ginger. How much pound of ginger you use?
This is
About
about
10 pound?
21 pounds of ginger. And see what is left in that blue bag down
So
there.
it's about 15
was
pound
too
you use.
tired. I was too tired last night. I couldn't go no more. 130.
Wow. Nice. So when it done strain now, the sweetening takes place.
Yeah. You add the sugar. And if it wants, when you taste it, you know if it want more lime juice.
Okay. Awesome.
You don't want it with bitter lime juice, but you want it to have enough lime
Enough
juice
lime.
in there.
Nice. Here we have it now, with all of the ginger gone. See, that's the ginger beer, the pure ginger beer right there now. And we'll put back on the rest of it.
Yeah.
So if you can get more, yeah, because this where this smells strong, this not half ready to use it.
When it's that one, just
Here we go right there. We just added some sugar, and we're going to add more. And we'll use regular brown sugar
Yeah.
for this medium cane sugar. Let
And
me show now what
you are
I'm saying.
better off if you buy it at Walmart. Not
Mhm.
Walmart, at Sam's.
Sam's.
Because
You have finished this?
£10. The Sam's one work out at 61 cents a pound. They're a 158 for 2 pounds.
So you could have used honey, for instance, and sweeten it.
Yeah,
Except
but
somebody
some
want to
people
use a
the
small
honey.
amount.
Some people buy it from you without sugar.
And then them sweeten it if they want
Because
to.
they're diabetic, so they do what they want with it.
You know what's a good sugar? And it is what them call low glycemic. It's good for diabetes. The coconut sugar. You have coconut sugar.
I see it, but I've never.
Yeah, it has
thought
no.
of what
It is what you call low glycemic, so it doesn't have the sweet. It doesn't affect you like how you know, or if you want to use honey, or then you could have used dates. It's still strong. That's good.
Just pour all of that sugar in here.
Okay. You know the dates, right? Dates. If you puree the dates in the machine, you will get super sweet. If you take 3 dates, say you're making this jug, and you take 3 or 4 dates and blend it, you don't need no sugar. If you're making this jug of the ginger thing, yeah man, it's super sweet, man. It sell at Publix, but it's expensive at Publix. I buy it at Aldi. I get it at Aldi for like $4, and then you have to make sure you take out the little seed in the middle.
Okay.
So
If you're gonna do it on the RX.
right, anything like that. You know.
Because when them I do it, and I show you. You drink it,
See there?
when them and
Sweetened
when them I
and
do
we're ready
it.
to move now. Now may I show them say it's sweetened now. To a certain point.
And tell them sweeten to taste.
Yes.
Because them, me I use plenty sugar, some people say too sweet.
Yeah, a lot of people don't like the
Okay,
sugar. So Alright, this is me trying it now. Why this strong, man?
It's still strong, so you can pour all this in there. Use some more
Yeah.
sugar.
Not, let me tell you about strong. I mean, immediately you feel the whole of the ginger in your throat.
In your throat.
Wow. No, sir.
So if we evaluate it, it's only that.
This super strong.
Okay.
So now Lisa, Sister Smith's daughter, is pouring all this great ginger beer into bottles so that all the friends and whoever wants ginger beer can come and get theirs. Of course, you know me, I forget my bottle. So, time to get some ginger beer. We're going to drink and we're going to bed. That's what the thing said. Crazy. So that's it, guys. I'm heading back to my house now with my ginger beer in hand, and it was such a pleasure spending time with my neighbor and talking to her and hearing all the stories. It's just crazy how much you can learn from those who have walked the journey before you, the seniors, yeah. And I learned a little bit more about how to make ginger beer and had great conversation. It's so we want to do it in a Yardie's kitchen. Well, not in my kitchen, but in the neighbor's kitchen. Hey, see you next time when we take another journey, visited another kitchen, spend time with somebody else, and learn the art of cooking in different ways. Yardie TV. Look for my ginger beer now. It looks so good. Watch out.